Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Sarah Azreen HALIB. Bursa Malaysia Derivatives Berhad is the wholly owned subsidiary of Bursa Malaysia Berhad that provides, operates and maintains a future and option exchange. Notably, their flagship product FCPO is the world's most liquid crude palm oil futures contract, consolidating Malaysia's position as the global center for palm oil discovery. The objective of this presentation is to review the future trading took place in Bursa Marketplace platform as well as the trading plan strategies that we've applied. So these are the 5 questions that provided. The first question is list each of the instrument or commodities you traded and explain why they were your choice. FCPO was the first derivatives instrument to be traded in Bursa Malaysia Derivatives Berhad (BMDB), and it's derivatives contract between a buyer and a seller to take and make delivery respectively of crude palm oil (CPO) at a future data. I choose to trade in FCPO for this trading simulation as it has more advantages. FCPO allows me as a trader to speculate on price movement, where I can use FCPO to gain leverage exposure to movements in CPO prices. Trading in FCPO also allows me, trader, to take on riskier investment with higher promised returns.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is NADHIRAH binti AZMAN. Next question is what the tasks did we do in this assignment? Research, read, analyze are my tasks before trading in futures. Those are the tasks that I must keep up doing it in order to make sure that I can maximize the profits and minimize the loss. Next, fundamental analysis is a popular trading method before trading in future. I usually read and research for news or reports that could affect the prices through the age. It can be any positive or negative news that related to the palm oil. In addition, I also read a few articles that are written by future trading experts. As I am new in futures trading, reading to expert opinion will increase my knowledge and skill, indirectly boost up my confidence in trading. Last but not least, I also use technical analysis. The most widely used trading method I use tool or technical indicator from trading view like Heikin-Ashi, support and resistance line, stochastic, moving average and volume to analyze the price, buy and signal and trend line.
My name is Nafisz and I will continue my presentation for the next question, which is the factor which determine the future price for commodity FCPO traded. The Malaysian government relies heavily on oil revenue since it is the primary source of income. This is due to the significant volatility and sensitivity of FCPO trading in the market. Malaysia, ranked second in oil output, is heavily influenced by demand and supply when it comes to setting the price of CPO. Additionally, the increasing demand for CPO from populous nations in Asia such as China and India have a significant role in driving up the price. Nevertheless, the government import and export rules and regulations are seen as trade obstacles that might potentially impact the price of CPO. The factor which determine the future price for FCPO traded are festive season, which the production of palm oil requires a span of many years, often about 4 years to complete the whole harvesting cycle. The palm oil tree has a lifetime of up to 5 years. The output of palm oil might have an impact on the price during a periods of drought or flood. The decrease in output may result in an increase in the market price of palm oil, mostly driven by rising demand, particularly during the festival season. And next one, which is the competition from edible oils, which is the palm oil price might be influenced by the presence of other vegetable oils, including sunflower oil, rapeseed oil, maize oil, and especially soybean oil. Unfavorable weather affecting the soybean field will result in a rise in palm oil prices. The United States, Brazil, and Argentina are major producers of soybean, while palm oil might serve as a replacement until its oil supply aligns with consumer demand. Next, which is the competition from producing country, which is Malaysia and Indonesia, contribute to almost 90% of the global palm oil output. In 2006, Indonesia surpassed Malaysia as the leading exporter of palm oil globally. However, Malaysia still holds the position of being the second largest exporter of palm oil. Weather and climate factor, which is the next one, are the production of oil palm tree requires a large amount of land, posing a threat to a diverse range of species that inhabit this ecosystem and having a substantial influence on the environment. Palm oil may decrease due to adverse weather conditions such as drought or flooding in key palm oil producing and exporting nations like Malaysia and Indonesia. And the last one, which is the tariff and policy. Malaysia's economic development is heavily dependent on its export. Therefore, achieving a larger government gross domestic product (GDP) might potentially lead to decrease in tax rate. Therefore, boosting export and reducing the inventory level, this will enhance the liquidity condition for dealers during period of increasing demand. So that's all from me. Based on the data presented by the diagram here is from the Star article, it is projected that the price of crude palm oil would strive to reach 4,000 ringgit a ton next year, which is 2024. As stated by experts, the anticipation of El Nino resulting from the worldwide weather issue is projected to significantly decrease the value of commodity, particularly a soybean. Consequently, this will result in elevated oil price by early 2024. Based on the diagram provided in figure above, we can observe the chart displaying the CPO prices for January 2024 prior to entering the market. It is evident that the current market price has surpassed the resistance line, indicating a strong upward trend. There is an opportunity for us to enter the market in a long position at a favorable price during 9 November 2023, aligning with expert prediction of a significant price increase. And based on the figure below, it is evident that the price has penetrated the resistance line and has demonstrated a strong uptrend. The bullish candle indicates a positive momentum and it is approaching the marking zone at 4,000 ringgit. The market price action indicates a strong bullish movement resulting in an intended profit being achieved. The upward trend is projected until November 15, 2023. The expert opinion in conjunction with true fundamental and technical analysis indicates that the performance of FCPO is on track for a continued upward trend with a new higher high on the horizon, providing us with the necessary confirmation to ensure a secure and profitable exit. Next, overall trading performance in terms of profit and loss and percentage of change performance measure. Above shows the overall profit gain from our trading during this semester with a profit of 41,150 ringgit. This figure indicates a 41.15% increase in our capital after the capital injection. Nevertheless, the return on investment of our trading gain might be attributed to the significant price fluctuation of a certain instrument or commodities. The concept of return on investment may be explained by analyzing and categorizing the returns for each individual instrument of commodity inside the FCPO. Therefore, our ROI indicates on our future trading, which we have significantly utilizing our funds in generating the profit, with the total profit 41,500 ringgit, greater than our startup capital.
Assalamualaikum, my name is HARIZ bin SALAHUDDIN and I will continue with the most profitable and unprofitable of our trading. Among all the instruments we used, our most profitable performance came from FCPO January 2023, February 2023 and March 2023 in a long position, accumulating to RM 13,800. The profit stems from the fundamental analysis outcome we conducted, wherein Maybank IB Research recognized that the current mild El Nino and a weak ringgit are variables supporting the CPO futures market. These reasons, along with other aspects, contribute to the market fundamentals for investors in a long position. In anticipation of further depreciation of the ringgit until 2024, Maybank IB Research has adjusted its projections for the average selling price of crude palm oil (CPO), potentially benefiting planters and enhancing investors' returns. The most unprofitable cumulatively is below RM700, with the lowest value at RM475, RM575, RM500, RM600, and RM575. In our trading plan, we managed to minimize our losses by opting to close volatile markets quickly to secure our profit. Fundamental analysis has been applied to understand the market trend. According to Kenanga Research, the average local crude palm oil delivery prices are expected to reach RM3,648 ringgit per ton in December. This expectation stems from the anticipated surplus of CPO supplies towards the year's end, typically leading to a decrease in CPO prices. Our short position aligns with the thorough examination of supply and demand fundamentals, including forecasts of substantial ending inventories, decreased palm oil exports, and downstream optional challenges.
Next, the strengths and weaknesses in trading strategy. Our trading approach combines technical and fundamental analysis using indicators like MACD and RSI to determine market trend. We adapt to market conditions and show proficiency in range trading and breakout opportunity. Our profitability range from modest gain to substantial gains. In terms of profitability, the spectrum varied from trade yielding a modest RM500 to more substantial gain exceeding RM3000. The disparity underscores the diverse nature of our strategy and the outcome they produce. While some trades were guided by calculated decision-making, others were influenced by external factors and fortunate market conditions. In conclusion, our FCPO and FKLI trading journey has been a challenging exploration of various strategies, each contributing to a motivated learning experience. The strength lie in the meticulous interrogation of technical and fundamental analysis, adaptability to market conditions, and a commitment to both commodity.
I will continue the presentations by giving the conclusions of future trading games. In conclusion, the future trading game has been a rewarding and educational experience. It provided insight into the complexities of financial markets, honed analytical skills, and highlighted areas for improvement. The commitment to learning and adapting strategies in response to market dynamics has been a key takeaway. So as the journey concludes, the lesson learned will undoubtedly inform and guide future trading endeavors, fostering continuous growth and refinement in the pursuit of successful future trading.